Hello everyone, start off by making two braids on either side of the hair, and now afterwards pull sections of the hair through these two sides and then join them in the center at the back. Add a rubber band in the middle section and then lift it up as such, tighten it, make a braid and then pull it through the center. Add another rubber band at the base of this. Now fluff out the bow and then begin to join the sections from each of the sides that you have pulled through the braid, and this is what it should look like. Add a decorative rubber band or a clip at the bottom. Make two braids at the bottom of the hair and then pull it through the top sections that are present. For the excess, add a rubber band to it and insert it underneath. Now on the top, you may add a decorative multiple prong pin along the line. Make two ponytails out of the hair and then taking a small section of this ponytail, make a braid out of it and roll it around. Now make a braid and then make a heart shape at the bottom as such. Now as you are making it, add another rubber band underneath it and push it upwards. Add a decorative pin at the top of this. Join all of the hair together and now roll the hair in on itself after adding a rubber band. Make a braid out of the hair and loosen the sides using your fingers. Roll it up once you are done and then add a decorative pin to it. You may also add a bobby pin to begin with. Now using your fingers, loosen it. Next, make two braids on the right side of the hair. Now, make a low ponytail at the bottom, roll the hair in on itself and then tighten it. Take the braids and then pull it through the gap that is present. Add a rubber band in the middle section, roll the hair in on itself, make a braid out of the hair and then wrap this around the bun that you have created. Adjust it as need be and then add decorative pins to the top of it. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and now take a section from the left side and the right side, pull it through the top sections as such. Roll the hair in on itself through the middle and pull it through the top. Add a rubber band at the bottom and then add another rubber band in the middle, roll the hair in on itself. And now wrap the section that you have created around the bun. Taking the excess amount of hair, pull it through the top section and then taking the excess amounts of it, insert it underneath. Add a bobby pin to fasten it in its place and then add a decorative clip on top of it or a pin. Next, we'll start out by diagonally dividing the hair as such and then add a rubber band to it. Add a rubber band on the other side as well. Roll the left section of the hair in on itself and then using your fingers, loosen the sides of it. Do the same with the right side section as well. Now, starting with the right side section, begin to braid the hair and once again using your fingers, loosen the sides of it. Now, do the same with the left side braid and afterwards roll each of these upside and then afterwards taking the left side braid, insert it into the right side section and then taking the right side braid, insert it into the left side. Insert all of the excess loose ends in place. Now, on top of this, you may add a decorative pin to it. You may also add bobby pins to the side of it. Next, we'll start off by making a bun and then pull out sections of the hair through it. Using each of the sections, make a braid out of it. As you progress with this braid, include more and more sections of the hair into it and then loop it around. Now using a bobby pin, adjust it in place. On top of it, you may also add more decorative pins to it as such. We have chosen to use blue hearts. Next, take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back. Taking a section from the right side, pull it through the top left side and now make a ponytail at the bottom. Now take the other half of it, make it into a bun, roll it up and then add a decorative pin at the top of it. Gather the hair together, divide it into two parts and now, taking a section from the top on one of the sides, begin to make a braid out of it as such. Now, as you progress with the braid and once you reach the end of it, join it with the rest of the hair and then make a ponytail out of it. Loosen the sides of it using your fingers. Once you are done loosening the sides of this braid, take another section of the hair and then wrap it around the ponytail. Add a rubber band to the base of it once you are done. Do the same on the left side. Take two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, take the remaining amount of hair, add rubber band to it. Now taking the section at the back, pull it through the second section you've created and now adjust it and this is what it should look like. Loosen the sides of it using your fingers and then fluff it out. Next, we'll start off by taking two sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, take the remaining amount of hair that is left and then wrap it around the first section, tie a rubber band to it. Adjust the rest of the hair and then make the first section come at the top, add a rubber band to the bottom of the hair and now after this, roll it up, make it into a bun and then fasten it in place. In order to do so, you may either use bobby pins or a multiple prong pin as such. This is the final look of your hair. Thank you for watching.